We'll build a three-tier application, starting with the data collection layer using Beautiful Soup and Scrapy for web scraping. Next, we'll design the persistence layer with SQL Alchemy Object Relational Mapping for efficient data storage. Finally, the presentation layer will feature interactive dashboards using Plotly and Dash, showcasing your Python expertise in a portfolio-worthy project. We'll build a three-tier application focusing on real-world software engineering. The data collection layer uses Beautiful Soup and Scrapy for web scraping. The persistence layer involves database design with SQL Alchemy Object Relational Mapping. Finally, the presentation layer features interactive dashboards using Plotly and Dash, ensuring a maintainable, scalable system. To succeed in this project, core Python skills are essential, including object-oriented programming principles, decorators, and asynchronous programming. Proficiency in structured query language fundamentals, query optimization, and relational database design is crucial. Understanding hypertext transfer protocol, representational state transfer concepts, and hypertext markup language cascading style sheet structure is necessary, along with basic JavaScript rendering and application programming interface authentication methods. Web scraping automates data extraction from websites, crucial for data engineers and analysts. Unlike application programming interfaces, it involves parsing hypertext markup language and managing dynamic content. Always review a site's robots.txt and terms of service. Ethical practices include respecting rate limits, proper bot identification, and avoiding server overload. Beautiful Soup 4 is excellent for parsing static HTML, offering intuitive document object model navigation. Scrapy is a robust framework for industrial-scale scraping, managing concurrent requests and errors efficiently. Selenium and Playwright are essential for JavaScript-heavy sites, rendering pages in real browsers to handle dynamic content and asynchronous JavaScript and XML requests. Each tool serves distinct scraping needs effectively. The Simple Scraper class uses requests and Beautiful Soup to fetch and parse web pages. It employs sessions for efficient connection pooling and sets a user agent for proper identification. CSS selectors efficiently target elements, while error handling prevents crashes. Implementing timeouts and delays between requests ensures respect for server resources and maintains scraper resilience. Modern websites often use JavaScript frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular to load content dynamically. Traditional HTTP requests can't execute JavaScript, so tools like Selenium and Playwright are essential. They render pages, enabling scraping of content loaded post-page load, handling infinite scroll, and interacting with complex user interface elements effectively. The Dynamic Scraper class in Selenium demonstrates advanced web scraping techniques. It configures a headless browser for efficiency, uses explicit waits for reliable element loading, and handles infinite scroll pagination. This pattern is versatile, allowing for effective scraping of dynamic content across various modern websites. Efficient database design is vital for managing scraped data. Ensure your schema supports duplicate detection, metadata tracking, and fast querying. Use normalization wisely to balance redundancy and performance. PostgreSQL is ideal, offering JSON-B for flexible storage, full-text search, and robust indexing. Key tables include articles, authors, categories, and tags, with metadata tracking and performance features like indexed columns and partitioning. In SQL Alchemy ORM, define models for articles, authors, and tags. Use a many-to-many association table for article tags relationships. Each article has a title, content, URL, and dates. Authors have unique names and bios, while tags are uniquely named. Relationships are established using foreign key and relationship functions, ensuring efficient data management and retrieval. Efficient database integration is crucial. Utilize connection pooling with SQL Alchemy to minimize connection overhead. Configure pool size based on concurrency needs. Always ensure connections are closed using context managers or try finally blocks to prevent resource exhaustion. Implement a database manager class with a session scope method for transactional integrity and efficient resource management. Efficient data storage in a pipeline involves extracting data with Beautiful Soup or Selenium, transforming it by cleaning and normalizing, and loading it using SQL Alchemy with transaction management. Verify data integrity and handle errors. The data pipeline class processes articles, checks for duplicates, manages authors, and inserts articles into the database, ensuring data consistency. The visualization layer leverages Plotly and Dash to convert raw data into insights. Plotly Express offers a high-level API for creating interactive charts like scatter plots and heat maps. Dash, a React-based framework, enables building web dashboards using Python, incorporating interactive components like drop-downs and sliders for dynamic user experiences. Time series analysis uses line charts to reveal publication trends and data growth over time. Category comparisons leverage bar charts to analyze article counts by author and tag distributions. Text analytics employ word clouds to highlight frequently mentioned terms. Relationship networks use graphs to map connections between authors and topics, exploring content relationships. Creating interactive charts with Plotly involves using classes like Data Visualizer to generate visual insights. For instance, a bar chart displays the top 10 most prolific authors by querying article counts. Similarly, a time series chart visualizes publication timelines. Efficient SQL Alchemy queries optimize data retrieval, ensuring performance even with large data sets. The Scraping Dashboard class integrates Dash for building interactive web applications. It initializes with a database manager and visualizer, setting up a layout with Bootstrap components. Users can select charts like author statistics or publication timeline via a dropdown. The app updates charts every minute using callbacks, ensuring real-time data visualization. The Scraper module efficiently manages web requests, HTML parsing, and dynamic content rendering, incorporating retry logic and rate limiting. The database layer, using SQL Alchemy object relational mapping, ensures data persistence and clean create, read, update, delete operations. The data pipeline orchestrates extract, transform, load processes, ensuring data validation and transformation. The visualization layer, with Plotly and Dash, offers interactive dashboards, while scheduler and monitoring automate tasks and monitor system health. Implement robust error handling to ensure scraper reliability. Use Python's logging module for structured logs, capturing network timeouts, HTML changes, and database issues. Implement retry logic with decorators for failed operations. Store logs persistently, and consider Sentry for real-time error tracking. This approach aids in diagnosing and resolving issues efficiently. Automate scraping with scheduling tools like APS Scheduler for in-process tasks, Celery with Redis for distributed queues, or Airflow for complex workflows. APS Scheduler offers interval, cron, and date-based triggers. Celery supports worker pools and task priorities. Airflow provides orchestration with monitoring dashboards. Efficient scheduling ensures timely data collection without manual intervention. Concurrent scraping with Asyncio or threading significantly reduces scraping time. Use AOHTTP for I/O-bound tasks and Threadpool Executor for balanced concurrency. Optimize databases with bulk inserts and indexes on frequently queried columns. Implement caching strategies like Redis for distributed caching and least recently used Cache for function results to minimize redundant queries and application programming interface calls. Asynchronous scraping with Async.io enhances efficiency by allowing multiple pages to be fetched concurrently. Using AIOHTTP and Asyncio, the Async Scraper class manages up to 10 concurrent requests, ensuring rate limits with a semaphore. This method significantly reduces scraping time, processing 50 pages in the time-synchronous methods handle just 5, while maintaining server load balance. Comprehensive testing is crucial for robust scraping systems. Use PyTest for unit tests and mock HTTP responses to avoid live site hits. Maintain test fixtures with sample HTML. Separate parsing logic from network requests for faster test execution and easier updates. This strategy ensures your scraper adapts to edge cases and website changes efficiently. Configure environments using variables for sensitive data and separate settings for development, staging, and production. Use Docker for consistent deployment, including dependencies. Monitor applications with Prometheus or Datadog, setting alerts for failures. Automate database backups, store data in multiple locations, and plan for horizontal scaling with message queues and read replicas. Review and comply with a website's terms of service to avoid legal issues. Respect robots, TXT directives to determine crawlable areas. Implement rate limiting to prevent server overload, and use a proper user agent string with contact info. Always consider ethical implications and explore alternatives like official application programming interfaces for data access. Begin by implementing a robust scraper with error handling for both static and dynamic content, ensuring comprehensive logging. Design a normalized database schema using SQL Alchemy models, focusing on efficient queries and proper indexing. Develop extract, transform, load processes for data transformation, including duplicate detection and validation. Build an interactive Dash application for visualization, featuring real-time updates and responsive design.